Surprise! We're at the track. We're over here at HMP. We're with our buddy Josh. Who's gonna turn around. Don't look at his butt though. I'm gonna cover his butt. Car's breaking up a little bit, so we're trying to help him change some plugs real quick, try to narrow down the issue. On top of that, Andy is coming, and our buddy Logan with the Camaro is also coming. So just out here having some fun. We got to get some, we still got to stay in the mix of things, or else it'll get boring for us. The fun part of racing. Alright, so it's shaping out to be a pretty good night because not only do we have Andy unloading, we got Josh's car, we're getting ready to go out. Look at this white F-body that also came out of nowhere. And then on top of that, Mr. Logan with the fast Camaro. That's what happens when you come out of retirement. You forget things. Wild today. Alright, first one we're coming up. Mr. Josh over here. Try to see if we got him ironed out. How you feeling, big dog?
Optimistic. Hope with better results this time.
Yeah. We got Andy lined up, ready to go, so should be exciting couple passes here. Right. So just for testing purposes, we're gonna set up Josh with the rat rod just so we can get him knocked out. Distracted by what was going on. I forgot to aim the camera properly, but Andy left on a great pass. That car hooked and left, looked great. I'm curious to see Josh's log to see what kind of ramp he's running, but it might want more. So we'll see if either of them like their pass and where they can improve. 43.
I went from a 149.
But still, we'll bump them up.
Exactly.
It grabbed and left and went good.
He said the banana got nothing.
Everybody.
Oh, it looks like we got to go bail out Josh because he broke.
I mean, it was slow because it was like right at the 1-2 shift is when it did it. I mean, I thought it popped the rev limiter and I shifted, and then when that happened, it shredded the belt because it died, wouldn't refire, and that was it.
Jerks have been making fun of me. Y'all been making fun of me about the TPS. And guess what? Welcome to the club. Welcome to the I didn't lift club.
He goes, did you pedal it? I was like, no, dude, I had a nail. He goes, I pedaled it. I was like, first thing I was like, damn it, Juan.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Good, dude.
Yeah, it looked great on film.
Like, it was just like,
yeah.
Did you record it by your phone?
Yeah. Oh, I recorded on here.
So I gotta wait until.
Yep. You
I
gotta.
don't want to see your video.
Sorry, you're gonna have to wait till the video.
Right,
My bad.
I'm the owner.
I mean, get somebody else to do it. I'm not here for you. I'm here to film.
Yes, you are. That's the only reason why you came. Let's get this straight.
Okay.
We already saw what you did.
So, did it take a picture? I'll probably put it right here.
Josh, okay? Can you send him that picture of the? It was like this. The truck is like 9A or 10, 9A or 10.
The firmware is not updated on his ECU, so we can't write to the PC, but we can read. And so I ended up having to adjust the boost on the screen. Well, on the screen, yeah, you're welcome. On the screen, the ramp looked great, but apparently when they pulled the log, it was not that great. Oh, and Josh broke, unfortunately, the belt tread on his car, and it yanked the crank trigger wire, so he's done for tonight, unfortunately.
And we finally got some food.
And we finally got some food. Keeps dying during the burnout. He was just out of it.
Yeah.
He was not in the groove.
Yeah. I mean, the groove is smooth though.
Yeah.
That truck that went before, it's slick as can be. Sign it up. What did y'all turn it up to?
I turned it up 50 on the rev, and I turned it up at 1.5 on the launch.
What about the boost?
And then the boost came in at 0.8 versus 1.1.
Did you go any higher on boost?
1.5 now? 1.5 on the top. That's it. We're gonna wrap it up here. We had a lot of fun. It was fun being back in the mix of things. Even though I'm not driving, I was still able to help out as much as I could everywhere. So I was still kind of in. Still got the juices going, if you know what I mean. So, like I said, we're gonna wrap it up. Andy got a new PB in the 8. We're still kind of messing around with 60 foot and stuff on that car. Still a lot of room for improvement there. Josh's car unfortunately broke, but it's not too bad. He can fix it. We'll come back out. Logan also having a couple issues, but also these are all brand new setups. They're working out kinks. This is why we come test. But overall, pretty good day. Next video you're gonna see, we're gonna start disassembling the heads on my car, finding out the big scope of what's gonna be damaged and how much it's gonna take to fix it, and then we'll go from there. So hopefully it's just minimal damage. We can get it done, get out of here. So that's it for now.
When's your next race, like a real race?
I gotta fix the car. I don't know. Hopefully next year.
Not next year.
Yeah.
No.
This year's almost over. Wrong. What?
You said it would never cut it under a 1.3.
No, I said 1.2s.
1.35 actually.
I said 1.2s, and I'm still correct.
I said a 1.35. You're like, it's never gonna cut a 1.29.
I said it'll never go 1.29s was my original prediction, and I'm still right.
You're not even gonna get close to 1.29.
No, I said it'll never go 1.2s.
I'm pretty close right now.
It doesn't matter. It's still not 1.2s.